Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make fried chicken. These are chicken breasts, also pollo empanizado. Here are the ingredients that you guys will need to make the pollo empanizado or fried chicken. So this is what you're gonna need for the pollo empanizado, depending on how many chicken breasts you're gonna be making. But I chose to put 4 eggs. We're gonna blend them right now. Of course, the chicken. This is chicken breast, by the way. You're gonna need flour. You're gonna need breadcrumbs, oil, and salt. So these are all the ingredients that you will need to make the breaded chicken. So we're gonna start blending the eggs first. So first you start prepping your chicken and putting a little bit of salt on it. And in a separate pan you start putting some oil so you could start frying the chicken. So we end up putting the fire to number 7 so the oil can start heating up. So we're gonna end up putting the chicken inside the eggs. And then we're gonna end up dipping it into the breadcrumbs. And then you put it inside the oil. So you want your chicken to look like that from that side and also the other side as well. So I ended up getting a separate little bowl so we could start putting the chicken in there. And this is how it's looking so far with these chickens. We're gonna end up adding a little bit more oil in the pan so we could start frying up the chicken. So we're gonna try making another set of chicken, but this one's gonna be a little bit more different. We're dipping it in the egg first and then into the flour. And then back into the egg. And then back into the flour. Back into the egg. And then back into the breadcrumbs. Just in case for those people that like a little bit more crunchiness on their chicken, in their fried chicken. And then you end up dipping it inside the oil. And you just end up following the same steps for each chicken breast. Depending on how you like it, you could not dip it in the flour, but just dip it in the egg or in the egg and the breadcrumbs. And this is how the floured ones look like. These are the ones without the flour. So this is optional, but I'm gonna end up doing some pasta on the side. And you would need, of course, elbow macaroni, some corn, mayonnaise, and carrots. I ended up seeing this recipe on TikTok, so let me know if you guys want to see more recipes from TikTok. So in a separate pot, I put water in there, and I'm going to end up dropping the macaroni in there. And then I'm just going to leave it there until it boils and then just take it out. While the macaroni is starting to boil, I get a bowl and start peeling my carrots. I'm gonna end up adding some of these carrots into the macaroni salad that I have. So I ended up cutting some ham as well, the carrots, and some corn so I could put in the cold pasta. So now I'm just gonna end up putting it all together. I ended up adding the macaroni inside the bowl. And now I'm gonna start putting in the mayonnaise and some cream in here. I'm gonna end up using this mayonnaise right here and this cream right here. And some black pepper in there as well. And now we end up just stirring it all together. So I ended up putting a little bit more pepper in there, and we're gonna add just a tad bit more of mayonnaise in there as well. And then we're just gonna give it another stir and then be ready by then. So now the salad looks like this, and it tastes so good, guys. I recommend you guys try this out right now. So I wanted to get my mom's impression or reaction towards the macaroni pasta that I got from TikTok. Here's her reaction.
Sinceramente a mí me gustó mucho porque no había probado una ensalada así. Esto se me hizo muy bueno. La habían de probar porque de verdad sí está deliciosa. Me serví 2 veces. Les recomiendo mucho esta ensalada. Yo no la había probado así con el codito. Solamente lo hacía con todo lo demás, y lechuga, pero no la había probado así con el codito y está muy deliciosa. Y con la Coca-Cola.
So here is another reaction towards the macaroni.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Not bad.
But it needs a little bit more salt, pepper.
More sauce.
So your final result should look like this. Guys, the macaroni salad is really good. I recommend you guys try it out. And let me know down below how you guys liked it. With your fried chicken as well. and bon appetit.